Good morning, I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you're watching the Quantamize Global AM Markets Preview, where it's all about uncomplicated investment, great data, and all the trades you'll ever need. And remember, everything's free. So let's get started.
Good morning, today's June 6, 2019. My daughter Sophia is with us again, and I'm sure she's going to be sharing her market commentary as well. Markets are rallying again. Looks like everyone is buying into the argument that rates will drop. It's just shocking when you look at Fed Fund futures. They're now predicting a potential rate cut by the July 31st Fed meeting. How quickly sentiment turns, no? More importantly, it seems like investors are totally discounting the probability of additional tariffs being placed on goods imported from China and new tariffs being implemented on goods imported from Mexico. Realistically, I'm not really sure that makes sense to me. Goes back to my thesis about being selective rather than simply buying the market. I'm definitely not buying the melt-up market thesis today. So what am I looking at today? I'm spending my time this morning looking at our top quality value stocks and our top low volatility momentum stocks. Now why is that? Low volatility has been outperforming and are beginning to structurally outperform their peers. This is after underperforming last year. What is this morning's takeaway? If the market melt-up continues on expectations for a potential rate cut in the US, I would focus on really high quality value stocks and low volatility stocks that are also exhibiting some momentum. Over the course of the week, we're going to be highlighting a few of our favorite ideas in both categories. You should definitely look out for those posts. Interesting, right, Sophia? Now, let's get into some really important stock news you need to be following this morning. Mondelez has ended its talk to acquire the international brands from Campbell Soup Company, with Campbell hoping to have received $3 billion for the unit. Neither company is commenting on the report. This is probably more of a net negative for Campbell. Alibaba signed a memorandum of understanding to form an e-commerce JV with Russian firms Megafon, Mail.ru, and Direct Investment Fund. Alibaba will take a 49.9% stake in the JV and will contribute its Russian businesses plus $100 million. Alibaba has previously set up a $2 billion venture fund in Russia to expand its presence. Alibaba continues to be one of my favorite China ADR names and one of my favorite consumer tech names, period. Alibaba is definitely a name you should be buying on the dip. Tesla's reported to have sold a record number of cars in North America, according to a report from Electric. Tesla sold 33,000 cars so far in the quarter, with 2,512 cars sold in June alone. Still doesn't change my negative bias to the stock. Still a top short, and I'm not buying or closing positions based on this news story. And finally, Uber is reportedly getting ready to offer helicopter rides to JFK Airport in New York City soon. Uber customers will be able to book a helicopter ride from Manhattan's East River Heliport to the JFK Airport for about $200. The service will be called Uber Copter. Uber plans to expand the service to other cities over time. This is very cool, though it isn't an argument to buy the stock. I'm going to be closely following this development still, and it's definitely one you guys should follow as well.
I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment below, shoot us a tweet, or send us an email. Tell us what you think about the Global AM Markets Preview and what else you'd like us to include. I'm Steve from Quantamize, and you were just watching the Global AM Markets Preview here at Quantamize.